This video shows how to merge companies in Telenotes. First, you can scroll to find the companies you want to merge. Once you find them, click their checkboxes, then click Merge. Another way to find the companies you want to merge is to use the filter feature. Click Add Filter, then select Company Name. Enter the company names you want to find, then click Apply Filter. Make sure the companies you want to merge are selected, then click Merge. Then choose the company record you want to keep as the main company record. Be sure to review what happens when I merge two companies here, and when ready, click Merge. It can take up to 10 minutes for all data to merge. And that is how you merge company records in the Telenotes CRM.